Whew. Ladies and gentlemen, we have been waiting for this moment ever since April of 2025. Right now, it's November 5th, 2025, and a lot of bearish things have been happening in the market recently. But it's like the market is still at all-time highs, the Nasdaq and S&P and things like that. But I want you guys to take a look at this right here. Extreme fear. These are the moments that it's the best time to dedicate and deploy some of your capital. Warren Buffett always says, be fearful when people are greedy and be greedy when other people are fearful. So this is amazing right here. If we also look at the crypto market, this is also an extreme fear. And I'm going to show you guys in a second, how Bitcoin and stuff is doing. But, man, if you guys have some side capital, it's not financial advice, I'm just saying. If you guys have some side capital, would not be a bad idea to start to put some money into the market, whether into your Bitcoin holdings if you don't have any, your Ethereums, your XRPs, Solanas. In the stock market, you want to get some QQQs, you want to get some index funds, VOO, VTI, some broad market index. If there's some individual stocks you've been watching, right now they might be at a really good price. So, yep, as we can see down here, Bitcoin is down 4% on the day, 20% for the month, by the way, as well, which is a really good correction. Ethereum down 10%. And Doge, we don't look at Doge and that shit. None of those things. So, yeah. Looking really good. Macro. Just go through some couple things. For sure. Of course I enjoy that. And I will not. But, yep. So, anyways, guys, wanted to just show you how crazy Ethereum is falling right now from the high. We want to measure. Yeah, 30% from the high. This is really good. I would love to take a position potentially if it wants to come down to this area 24, even around here. Right here would be all right. But anywhere around this zone, guys, right around here, all down here would be great. Long-term hold, Bitcoin good. I actually had something marked right here when that really crazy flash crash happened. I don't know if you guys were there for that, but a lot of the exchanges were showing off prices and a lot of things fell really badly, like 30-40%. Some of the altcoins that aren't the major coins, they went crazy. So yeah, this is definitely something to look at, guys. Nasdaq is going crazy. This is what I'm talking about. The market is still like at a really high point. Look at this. It's still up. But why is the fear and greed index at extreme fear? So I'm thinking this is really good for crypto, for stocks, but just look and see if you guys could deploy some capital if you guys want to take advantage of this. But I know you guys will be very happy if you buy around this area. Yeah. One more thing. Oh. Yeah, right here. I just wanted to show y'all. See, 730 billion was liquidated from the stock market today, with 250 billion wiped out in crypto markets. Whew. Look at all that. Look at all that red. Jesus Christ. But yeah, guys, that's all I wanted to show you guys, to share with you guys. That is all I wanted to share. Have a great rest of your day. Let's have a great November. Hopefully November is good to us. We only have less than 60 days left, so make sure you achieve whatever you got to achieve. Get everything done. And yeah, see you guys.